loose leaf paper quilling. You'll need some loose leaf, some scissors, cookie cutter, wax paper, and glue. Here's what I made of a butterfly. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to cut some strips. I'm using the lines to measure. Each strip is 2 lines wide. And then I'm just going to roll them around a pencil. Just give them a little pre-curl. Now I'm twisting them up, rolling them up, gluing them, keep their size, and I'm stuffing them in the cookie cutter. Maybe I want to glue at the end to help it keep its size. Maybe I want to glue it in the front or in the middle of the loop so that it fills the center of that circle. If I don't glue it in the middle or the front, it's just going to open up into an open circle. If you want a circle, do that as a circle. But if you want to fill the inside of the circle, then glue it at the front or the middle of the loop. And then just keep stuffing it. Using my pencil to kind of open them up or reposition them if I need to. And then I just keep stuffing. I used the paper from about 2 sheets of loose leaf, maybe 2.5 even, and now I'm gluing it together everywhere the loops connect. Not too much glue or it'll seep through, and that's why we've got the wax paper. Now I'm gonna do one with this hand cookie cutter, cutting my strips, giving them a little roll just to get them pre-rolled there. And when I was doing this one, I was thinking about making the loops on the hand the size of the muscles in the hand. I was thinking of making the loops in the finger the size of the knuckles. So that's what I was thinking. So, it would look like a hand because it's a hand. Maybe you want to glue it at the end to keep its size, keep its shape. Maybe you want to glue it at the front or the middle of the loop so that when it unrolls, it still fills the middle of that roll. And I might be overdoing it. You could probably get away with a lot less paper than this. And then gluing it dot dot, not a lot. Everywhere they connect, not too much or it'll seep through. That's why we got the wax paper. Let's see, there you go, slips right out of the cookie cutter. I'm just gonna glue those little unravelly bits down with my glue stick so that it keeps its shape. Alright, so maybe you don't have a cookie cutter. Here's what we can do. I got my paper, I'm just gonna make a loop with the paper and treat that just like I would my cookie cutter. Now I'm rolling them up. A little bit of glue in different places of the roll, a looser, a tighter roll, will give you a different shape once it unravels a little bit. So experiment. And then stuff it. You're probably going to use the paper from about 2 sheets of loose leaf. And then glue it together. Not too much glue or it'll seep through. That's why we got the wax paper. And then it just slips right out. I think I like the circle the best. Check that out. See how some of them unraveled a little more than others? That depends on where you glue it. That's a nice one. There's the hand. See the fingers? I can't wait to see what you make.